guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing me shampooing my rug in the living room. I've had it for several months now, and this will be the first time that I'm shampooing the rug. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Lishi. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. Now let's get into this.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
I'm sorry you guys see that my shampooer needs to be cleaned under the plastic part where the water sucks up, but I've tried to clean it. I guess I need to do a better job, but I bought this from Facebook Marketplace for $40, so I thought it was a steal.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one.
Okay, so I have to let y'all know that since I've gotten our new mattress for the bed, oh my god, it is so freaking comfortable. I bought a mattress topper to go on top of the mattress, and then I also bought the new comforter and the sheets. Oh my gosh, it's just so comfortable. It's just like sleeping on like a fresh breath of air. Just so comfortable, guys, so comfortable. I will try to link everything down below so that you guys, if you would like just to take a look. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I am not there yet.
Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to.
Now the pillows that we have on the bed at the moment are just standard pillows. They're not king size, which are the size of the pillow covers.
I've been thinking about you day and night, ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes. There was something that I just couldn't deny.
Off today and tomorrow, and I'm going to be filming videos, but today's video is going to be a little bit of me cleaning, making my bed, like a daily routine. I have to also fold clothes, have to do laundry, of course, because laundry is always a thing around here. And once I get it all caught up, I have more laundry, wash, dry, and fold. That's what I do. I just made my bed, and by the way, it is, what time is it? It's 5:25. And I just made my bed and I just started filming, but it happens. That's life. You know, I work I don't want to say a regular job, but I don't work at home. You know, I actually have to go to work, drive to work, you know, actual 9 to 5 job, but I work a 12-hour job. And like I said, today and tomorrow I'm off work, and then I have to work 2 days, and then I have a 3-day weekend. So yeah, but anyways, I'm going to watch a little bit of YouTube while I fold these clothes. Say hello. Hello, Charlie. Hello.
It feels like I'm gonna fly. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you, alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love. If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space.
I've had this box in my closet since we moved in here. It's just holding some clothes that I had hung up in the old closet at the old place. And then also I all of my heels, my boots, and some sandals. And then some of the items I'm just looking at to see if I still want them or not. And if not, I'm throwing them into the giveaway pile, or I'm never going to wear that stuff. And I mean, honestly, I would just like to give to someone, you know, in need, that lives around me, or someone who's close to me. So I'm just going through this box and then trying just to clear out this closet, that way that I can start putting some of our stuff in here. Well, this is my closet, and then my boyfriend has his closet that's on the left side of me, and he has his set up for the most part, but I just have not did mine. And there's a lot of stuff in this house that I have not done yet since we've moved in here. But you know, like I said, that's life. I'm taking things slow.
I've got you now. We went body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body. I know love